It was the future. August 17th at 12:35, Tuesday. What you're about to see was filmed on Saturday at 5 o'clock. I'm just gonna be upfront. We forgot to do an intro for our drift day we had Saturday at our spot that we go to all the time. You've seen a couple videos beforehand. So the people that run the facility there are actually really awesome. When we went there real quick just for Andis to kind of get a feel for the car. He changed a couple things up, and as he was coming around like a transition, the people outside were watching. They're like, "Oh crap, we're gonna get in trouble." Next thing you know, they're like, "Keep going, you're good." And then we walked up to them. They were really cool. They're like, "Look, as long as you keep the facility clean, you respect the area, you come here, you do your thing, and then you leave, we don't care." So spent about an hour there, drifted to all of our tires. They loved it. They got videos. We left, and they said we're welcome to come back as long as it's on a weekend and in the evenings. And I'm super hyped. We're not saying where this is because we don't want random people going there, because of the fact that we're able to take our cars and try them out there and practice. So enjoy this footage of Andis killing it in his LS E36, and also me getting some practice in the other white E36 that we have here. So yeah.
All right, we're out here another day. We got Reggie with us here today. What's up, bro? What are you doing?
Batman.
Bye.
So, you want to explain to us what's going on?
Yeah, we're gonna buy this and we're putting that baby Recaro seat in the back so my kid could go slideways too.
So,
It's a perfect Indian
German luxury.
I have a.
this is German luxury?
Yeah, exactly. Peak.
Why are you putting in this seat?
Dave just bought Andis' drift car.
For him and his child.
So my kid could go slideways too.
This is a public service announcement.
Hey, yo, what's
It's
up?
my mother. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Anders! Anders! Where my boy Anders at? Wait, do I hear Anders'
Aww.
The button looks like it got stuck, so it's pretty much just a regular e-brake now.
Yeah, this
What the f? How does that happen?
Started just fucking squeezing the fuck out of it.
The button got stuck?
Yeah.
You know what you do to get the button unstuck?
I slammed it down and all that shit, and it didn't work.
You gotta stick something in there and pry it out. I've done it. Mine does it too.
Yeah, they all
I
do
think
it.
it's like a common fucking E36 problem, bro.
Wow.
Fucking e-brake does the same fucking shit.
Well, I don't have an e-brake, so we're good. Oh, Jesus. Reggie! God damn. What do you have to say for yourself?
I think I sent it.
Oh shit.
Yo! Fuck yeah! Hell yeah! Alright, I'm gonna kill these tires off.
Well,
Did anyone order le spaghetti?
oh fuck.
Now we got 2 cars.
You're next, bro.
Oh yeah, I got 4.
Oh shit. There's 1. There's 2.
I can't let Ed just completely run me up.
That's got enough fucking power to do it. Alright. A turbo sounds nice.
Alright, let's continue.
Alright. Now the tire is ready to come up. Wow. Let's see this magical damage.
God damn.
Oh no, I hope I didn't fucking. Well, no, it didn't break it, but I'm worried about the brake line.
Oh my god.
Shit. Oh, I tore that bitch up though.
You got a pitch car.
I need to. Can I get a knife?
Leo,
Here, I got you. Knife or torch? Get knife or torch? I shot that bitch off.
I shot my brother with a knife.